St. Thomas English Medium Higher Secondary School, Class 4th, Subject Mathematics by Richa Garg. Hello students, again I welcome you all to this classroom. Let's continue with the chapter number 2, Long and Short. Workbook, page number 26, question number 13. The result of long jump for children are as below. Answer the following questions on its basis. Pintu's long jump is the longest 3 meter 50 centimeter. Raju is at the second position. His jump is 30 centimeter less than Pintu's. Guddu is at third position. His jump is 10 centimeter less than Raju's. Now children, in first question, how long is Raju's jump? Let's see the method backside. So in first one, how long is Raju's jump? So children, we are having Pintu's jump, that is 3 meter 50 centimeter. We will minus it with Raju's jump, that is 30 centimeter less. When we will minus it, we will get the answer 3 meter 20 centimeter. So 20 centimeter 3 meter 20 centimeter is the Raju's jump. Now let's move to question number 2. How long is Guddu's jump? Children, Guddu's jump is 10 centimeter less than Raju's jump. So what is Raju's jump, children? 3 meter 20 centimeter minus Guddu's jump, that is 10 centimeter. When we will minus it, children, we will get the answer 3 meter 10 centimeter. Now let's move to question 3. How long is Pintu's jump than Guddu's jump? Pintu's jump is 3 meter 50 centimeter minus Guddu's jump is 3 meter 10 centimeter. And what if we'll minus it, we will get the answer 40 centimeter. Now let's move to question 4. What is the difference between Raju's jump and Pintu's jump? So what is the jump of Pintu's? 3 meter 50 centimeter minus Raju's jump is 3 meter 20 centimeter. When we will minus it, we will get the answer 30 centimeter. So 30 centimeter is the difference between Raju's jump and Pintu's jump. Question number 14. Answer the following questions on the basis of the picture. First question, how far is Jinal from Payal? So you can see, children, say Jinal is 3 meter far from Payal. Now second one is, how far ahead is Jinal from Meenal and Beenal? So you can see it's 6 meter far ahead is Jinal from Meenal and Beenal. Third question is, how far is Meenal and Beenal from the finishing line? So children, we will add Payal's, Jinal's and Meenal and Beenal's, and we will get the answer, that is 15 centimeter. 15 meter. 6 meter plus 3 meter plus 6 meter, we will get 15 meter. Far is Meenal and Beenal from the finishing line. Page number 26, question number 15. Details of the length of the stadium track and rounds to run to completing a 40-kilometer marathon race are given below. On its basis, fill the empty space in the table. Now children, first one is already done. Let's move to the second one. So children, you can see here, distance to be covered is 40,000 meter. As 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 40,000 kilometer is equal to 40 multiplied by 1000, we will get 40,000 meter. So distance to be covered is 40,000 meter. The distance of the field is 5,000 meter. Now we will see how many rounds are required to cover 40,000 meter. So we will divide distance to be covered divided by the length of the round. So 40,000 divided by 5,000, we will get 5 rounds to run the distance. Okay children. Now let's move to the third one, sorry. The round to run to complete the distance is 5. The distance to be covered is 40,000 meter. So what is the length of one round, children? So we will divide distance to be covered divided by numbers of round to complete the distance, that is 40,000 divided by 5. We will get 8,000. So 8,000 is the length of one round. Okay children. Now children, let's move to question 4th. So in question 4th, the distance to be covered is 40,000 meter. The distance of the field is 2,000 meter. Now we will see how many rounds are required to cover 40,000 meter. So we will divide distance to be covered divided by the length of the round. So 40,000 divided by 2,000, we will get how much children? 20 rounds to run the distance. Okay children. Now let's move to 5th one. The round to run to complete the distance is 4. The distance to be covered is 40,000 meter. So what is the length of one round children? So we will divide distance to be covered divided by numbers of round to complete the distance, that is 40,000 divided by 4. We will get 10,000. So 10,000 is the length of one round. Okay children. Now children, let's move to 6th question. In 6th one, the distance to be covered is 40,000 meter. The distance of the field is 1000 meter. Now we will see how many rounds are required to cover 40,000 meter. So we will divide distance to be covered divided by the length of the round. So 40,000 divided by 1000, we will get 40 rounds to run the distance. Okay children. Now let's move to the 7th one. The round to run to complete the distance is 2. The distance to be covered is 40,000 meter. So what is the length of one round? So we will divide distance to be covered divided by numbers of round to complete the distance, that is 40,000 divided by 2, we will get 20,000. So 20,000 is the length of one round. Did you understand children? Workbook, page number 27, question number 16. Match the following. Write the order alphabet of section B in the space of answer. Students, we will be doing this sum method in notebook. So in first sum, 66 meter. Children, when 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, then 6 meter is equal to how much centimeter? 66 multiplied by 100, we will get 6600 centimeter. In second sum, 6 meter 60 centimeter is equal to how much centimeter children? When 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, then 6 meter 60 centimeter is equal to how much? 6 multiplied by 100, that is 600, plus 60 centimeter, we will get 660 centimeter. Question, 6 kilometer 60 meter is equal to how much meter children? So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, then 6 kilometer 60 meter is equal to how much meter children? So 6 multiplied by 1000, we will get 6000, plus 60 meter, we will get 6060 meter. Now in fourth sum children, 606 meter is equal to how much centimeter children? So children, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, then 606 meter is equal to how much centimeter? So 606 multiplied by 100, we will get 60,600 centimeter. Now let's move to question number 5th, that is 6 kilometers 6 meter. Children, when 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, then 6 kilometers 6 meter is equal to how much children? So we will multiply 6 with 1000, we will get 6000, plus 6 meter, we will get 6006 meter. Now let's move to 6th one. 60 meter 60 centimeter is equal to how much centimeter, children? So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 60 meter 60 centimeter is equal to how much centimeter, children? So 60 multiplied by 100, we will get 6000, plus 60 centimeter, we will get 6060 centimeter. Okay, children? Workbook, page number 27, question number 17. We will be doing this sum in workbook. Okay, in 17th question, the Eiffel Tower of Paris is 330 meter high and the tallest building of New York is of 320 meter. Then how much tall is the Eiffel Tower than that building? So children, height of the Eiffel Tower is how much? How much high? Is 330 meter and the height of the New York is 320 meter, right? When we will, children, minus it, we will get the answer what? 10 meter. So the Eiffel Tower is 10 meter taller than the New York building. Okay, children? Now let's move to question number 18. Solve the following problems. First one, in the long jump for boys, Manu had the longest jump of 3 meter 60 centimeter. Sonu came second. He jumped 17 centimeter less than Manu. Golu came third. He jumped 3 meter 31 centimeter. Then what is the difference between the long jumps of Sonu and Golu? So children, Manu's jump is 3 meter 60 centimeter. Sonu jump is less than 17 centimeter. So children, we will minus this and we will minus 3 meter 60 centimeter minus 17 centimeter. We will get the answer 3 meter 43 centimeter. Now what we will do, we got the Sonu's jump. So what we will do, we will minus it with Golu's jump. So Sonu's jump is 3 meter 43 centimeter minus Golu's jump is 3 meter 31 centimeter. So we get the answer 12 meter 12 centimeter. So we got the difference, children. The difference between the long jump of Sonu and Golu is 12 centimeter. Okay, children. Now let's move to question number 2. In the high jump for boys, Hiren jumped 1 meter 20 centimeter, Suresh jumped 5 centimeter less than him, and Mahesh jumped 1 meter 9 centimeter. Then what is the difference between the high jump of Suresh and Mahesh? So children, Hiren's jump is 1 meter 20 centimeter and Suresh jump is less than 5 centimeter. So what we will do, we will minus this. 1 meter 20 centimeter minus 5 centimeter, we will get 1 meter 15 centimeter. So we get the Suresh jump. We are getting the Suresh jump. The Suresh jump is 1 meter 15 centimeter. Now children, Mahesh jump is 1 meter 9 centimeter. When we will minus Suresh jump with Mahesh jump, we will get 6 centimeter. Okay, the difference, we will get the difference. That is the difference between the high jump of Suresh and Mahesh is 6 centimeter. Okay, children. Now let's turn the page. Question number 3. In the long jump for girls, Gopi had the shortest jump of 3 meter 32 centimeter. Meenu came second. She jumped 12 centimeter more than Gopi. Neelu jumped the longest. She jumped 13 centimeter more than Meenu. Then what is the difference between the long jumps of Neelu and Gopi? So children, Gopi's jump is 3 meter 32 centimeter. Okay. Meenu's jump is 3 meter. So what we will do, children? We will plus Gopi's jump with Meenu's jump. So we will get the Meenu's jump. Okay. So 3 meter 32 centimeter plus 12 centimeter. We will get 43 meter 44 centimeter. Okay, children. So we got Meenu's jump. Correct? Now we want Neelu's jump. So for that, we will take Meenu's jump plus Neelu's jump. Okay? So 3 meter 44 centimeter plus 13 centimeter, we get 3 meter 50 centimeter. That is our Neelu's jump. Okay, children, we got Neelu's jump. Now what we will do, we want the what is the difference between the long jump of Neelu and Gopi. So we are talking about difference. So what we will do, children, we will minus it. Neelu's jump, we will minus Neelu's with Gopi. So 3 meter 57 centimeter minus 3 meter 32 centimeter. When we will minus it, children, we will get the answer 25 centimeter. So difference between the long jump of Neelu and Gopi is 25 centimeter. Okay, children, did you understand this? Now let's move to question number 19. In 19, the world records and Indian records for long jump and high jump are given in the table below. Answer the following question on its basis. So in first question, how many centimeter more should Chandrapal jump to equal the man's world record for high jump? So man's world record for high jump minus Chandrapal high jump. Correct, children? So what is the man's world record for high jump? That is 2 meter 45 centimeter. Correct, children? We will minus it with Chandrapal's high jump. That is 2 meter 17 centimeter. And what we will get? 28 centimeter. So Chandrapal should jump 28 centimeter high to equal the man's world record for high jump. Now let's move to second. How many centimeters more should Anju Ji jump to equal the woman's world record for long jump? So woman's world record for long jump is 7 meter 52 centimeter. And Anju G jumps is 6 meter 83 centimeter. What we will do, children? We will minus it. When we will minus it, we will get how should Anju Ji should jump how much long to equals the women's world record for long jump. Correct, children? So let's do minus 7 meter 52 centimeter minus 6 meter 83 centimeter, right? So we get the answer. We are getting the answer 69 centimeter. So Anju Ji should jump 69 centimeter long to equal the woman's world record for long jump. Now let's move to question. How many centimeter higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters? So 2 meter minus Bobby A jumps. So what is the Bobby A's jump? 1 meter 91 centimeter. So let's do the subtraction. So 2 meter minus 1 meter 91 centimeter, we will get how much, children? 9 centimeter. So Bobby should jump 9 centimeter higher. Okay, children? Now let's move to question 4. What is the difference between the world record and Indian record of high jump for man? World record of men's high jump is, children, 2 meter 45 centimeter, and the Indian record of men's high jump is how much, children? 2 meter 17 centimeter. When we will minus it, children, we will get the difference of this. So let's do minus 2 meter 45 centimeter minus 2 meter 17 centimeter. We will get 28 centimeters. So 28 centimeter is the difference between the world record of Indian record of high jump for men. Okay, children? Now, children, let's move to question number. How many centimeter more should Amrit Pal jump to reach 9 meters in long jump? So 9 meters minus Amrit Pal's jump. Okay children, here 9 meter is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 9 meter is equal to 9 into 100, we will get 900 centimeter. Correct children? And here 8 meter 8 centimeter is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 8 meter is equal to 800. Then we will multiply 800 plus 8 centimeter, we will get 808 centimeter. So 900 minus 808, we will get the answer 92 centimeter. Okay children, so Amritpal should jump 92 centimeter more. Okay children, now let's move to sixth question. Now children, in sixth question, Galina's long jump is nearly A 7 meter, B 7.5 meter, C 8 meter, या D 8.5 meter. So Galina's jump is 7 meter 52 centimeter. So let's take it with A. Let's try it with A. 7 meter 52 centimeter minus 7 meter. We get the answer 52 centimeter. Now we will subtract it with B1. 7 meter 52 centimeter minus 7 meter 50 centimeter. We get the answer 2 centimeter. Now in C1, 8 meter minus 7 meter 52 centimeter. We get the answer 48 centimeter. Now last is D1. 8 meter 8 meter 50 centimeter minus 7 meter 52 centimeter. We get the answer 98 centimeter. Okay children. So Galina's long jump is nearby how much children? B, that is 7.5 meter. Okay children, because this distance is only 2 centimeter. Okay. So the difference of Galina's jump in all four option is minimum at option B. Now children, let's move to question number 7. In the women's world records, what is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? So world record, women's world record of longest jump is 7 meter 52 centimeter, and women's world record of highest jump is 2 meter 9 centimeter. When we will children subtract it, we will get the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump. So let's do the subtraction. 7 meter 52 centimeter minus 2 meter 9 centimeter. When we will minus it children, we will get 5 meter 43 centimeter. So 5 meter 43 centimeter is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump. Now children, turn the page. Let's move to question number 8. Now in question number 8, in the men's Indian records, what is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? So children, here men's Indian longest jump record is 8 meter 8 centimeter. Men's Indian's highest jump record is 2 meter 17 centimeter. So here first let's convert 8 meter 8 centimeter into 8 into centimeter. So for that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter children. So 8 meter 8 centimeter is equal to 8 multiplied by 100. We will get 800. 800 plus 8, we will get 808 centimeter. Now let's subtract this. Indian's longest jump record minus men's Indian's highest jump record. So 8 meter 8 centimeter minus 2 meter 17 centimeter, we get 5 meter 91 centimeter. So 5 meter 91 centimeter is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump of Indians record. Okay children. Now let's move to question number. In ninth one, in the Indian records, what is the difference between the highest jump of men and women? So children, here Indian records of high jump of man is 2 meter 17 centimeter. Okay, 2 meter 17 centimeter. And Indian's record of high jump of women is 1 meter 91 centimeter. Okay, now let's subtract this two. 2 meter 17 centimeter minus 1 meter 91 centimeter, we will get 26 centimeter. So 26 centimeter is the difference between the Indian record of highest jump of man and woman. Okay, children. Question number 10. Whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters? A. Stefka K. B. Chandrapal. C. Zaveri S. या D. Bobby A. So children, first we will find the difference, the high jump of these people and 2.5 meter. So let's start with the A1, Stefka K. So Stepka K is 2 meter 90 centimeter minus 2 meter 50 centimeter, and we will get children 40 centimeter. Okay, now let's move to B, Chandrapal. Chandrapal is 2 meter 17 centimeter, and the we have to do it with 2.5 meters. So first let's start 2 meter 50 centimeter minus 2 meter 17 centimeter. We will get 33 centimeter. Now let's move to C, Zaveri S. So here Zaveri S is 2 meter 45 centimeter, and and the high jump is, which is very close to, is 2.5 meter. So children, 2.5 meter 2 meter 50 centimeter minus 2 meter 45 centimeter, we will get 5 centimeter. Okay, now let's move to D, Bobby A. So Bobby A is 1 meter 91 centimeter, and the jump, which is very high jump, very close to, is 2.5 meters. So 2 meter 50 centimeter minus 1 meter 91 centimeter, we will get children 59 centimeter. So children, whose jump is closer? Zaveri S. So yes, which is 5 centimeter. So the minimum difference is Zaveri S high jump. Okay children. Now in 11th question, how much centimeter longer should Mika P jump to reach 9 meters? So 9 meters minus Mika's jump, that is 8 meter 95 centimeter. So 9 meters 9 meter minus 8 meter 95 centimeter, we get 5 centimeter children. So Mika P should jump 5 centimeter longer. Now let's move to the 12th. In the world records, what is the difference between the longest jump of man and woman? So world records of longest jump of man, that is 8 meter 95 centimeter, and world record of longest jump of woman is 7 meter 52 centimeter. Then we will subtract it, we will get the difference. So 8 meter 95 centimeter minus 7 meter 52 centimeter. We get the answer 1 meter 43 centimeter. So 1 meter 43 centimeter is the difference between the world record of the longest jump of man and woman. Okay children? Page number 31, question number 20. Calculate the sum and complete the table. In first question, the distance to be covered is 800 meter. The distance of the field is 800 meter, as 200 multiplied by 4 is equal to 800 meter. Now we will see how many rounds are required to cover 800 meter. So we will divide distance to be covered divided by the length of the round. 800 divided by 800, we will get 1 round to run to complete the distance. Okay children, now let's move to the second one. In second one, the distance to be covered is 2000 meter. The distance of the field is 400 meter, as 100 multiplied by 4 is equal to 400 meter. Now we will see how many rounds are required to cover 2000 meter. So we will divide distance to be covered divided by the length of the round. So 2000 divided by 400, we will get 5 rounds to run to complete the distance. Okay, children. Now let's move to third one. Distance to be covered is 1000 meter. The distance of the field is 200 meter, as 200 multiplied by 1 is equal to 200 meter. Now we will see how many rounds are required to cover 1000 meter. So we will divide distance to be covered divided by the length of the round. So 1000 divided by 200, we will get 5 rounds to run to complete the distance. Okay, children. Now let's move to the fourth one. In fourth one, children, the round to run to complete the distance is 5. The distance of the field is 400 meter, as 400 multiplied by 1 is equal to 400 meter. So how much distance required to complete? So we will multiply length of the field with the round completed to run, that is 400 multiplied by 5. We will get 2000 meter. So 2000 meter distance to be completed. Okay, children. Now let's move to fifth question. In fifth question, the distance to be covered is 2000 meter. The distance of the field is 1000 meter, as 300 meter plus 200 meter plus 300 meter plus 200 meter is equal to 1000 meter. Now we will see how many rounds are required to cover 2000 meter. So children, we will divide distance to be covered divided by the length of the round. So 2000 divided by 1000, we will get 2 rounds to run to complete the distance. Okay, children. Now let's move to sixth question. So children, please turn the page. Now in sixth question, children, the round to run to complete the distance is 2. The distance of the field is how much, children? 1000 meter, as 250 meter plus 250 meter plus 250 meter plus 250 meter is equal to 1000 meter, or you can go for 250 multiplied by 4, you will get 1000 meter. So how much distance required to complete, children? So we will multiply length of the field with the round completed to run, that is 1000 multiplied by 2, you will get 2000 meter. Now let's move to question 7th. In question 7th, the round to run to complete the distance is 2. The distance of the field is 1000 meter, as 400 meter plus 100 meter plus 400 meter plus 100 meter is equal to 1000 meter. So how much distance required to complete? So we will multiply the length of the field with the round to complete the run, that is 1000 multiplied by 2, that is 2000 meter. So 2000 meter distance to be completed. Okay, children. Now let's move to question 8. In question 8, the distance to be covered is 2500 meter. The distance of the field is 500 meter, as 500 multiplied by 1 is equal to 500 meter. Now we will see how many rounds are required to cover 2500 meter. So we will divide distance to be covered divided by the length of the round. So 2500 divided by 500, we will get 500 rounds to run to complete the distance. Okay, children. Now let's move to ninth sum. In ninth sum, the round to run to complete the distance is 4. The distance of the field is 500 meter, as 200 plus 200 meter plus 50 meter plus 200 meter plus 50 meter is equal to 500 meter. So how much distance required to complete? We will multiply length of the field with the round to complete to run to come round completed to run, that is 500 multiplied by 4 is equal to 2000 meter. So 2000 meter distance to be completed. Okay children. Now let's move to the 10th one. In 10th one, the 10th one, the round to run to complete the distance is 5. The distance of the field is 100 meter, as 100 multiplied by 1 is equal to 100 meter. So how much distance required to complete, children? So we will multiply length of the field with the round completed to run, that is 5 multiplied by 100, that is 500 meter. So 500 meter distance to be completed. Okay children. Page number 33, question number 21. Answer the following question based on the map given below. First question, how far is village B from village A? So you can see the distance from B to A, that is how much children? 25 kilometers. Okay children. Now let's move to second question. What is the distance between village B and village C? So distance between village B to A is 25 kilometer. Correct children? And what is the distance between village A to C? That is 15 kilometer. Then we will add this, we will get the distance. So 25 kilometer plus 15 kilometer, that is 40 kilometer. So 40 kilometer is the distance between village B and village C. Okay children. Now let's move to third question. What is the distance between village A and village D? So village A and D distance is how much children? 30 kilometer. Okay. Now, in fourth question, what is the distance between village E and village D? So, village A to D is 30 kilometer children, and village A to E is how much? 20 kilometer. When we will add these two, we will get the distance. So 30 kilometer plus 20 kilometer, we get 50 kilometer. So 50 kilometer is the distance from village E and village D. Okay children. Now let's move to question 5th. How much distance do Mehul have to cover if he wants to go from village E to village B through village A? So village B distance is 25 kilometer and village E distance is 20 kilometer. When we will add this, we will get the distance that Mehul has to cover. So 25 kilometer plus 20 kilometer, we get 45 kilometers. So 45 kilometer Mehul has to cover. Okay children. Now let's move to question 6. How much distance do Sunil have to cover if he wants to go from village C to village D to village A? So village D distance is 30 kilometer and village C distance is 15 kilometer. So when we will add this distance, we get the distance, correct children? So 30 kilometer plus 15 kilometer, we get 45 kilometers. So 45 kilometer is the distance of Sunil that he has to cover. Okay children. Now let's move to question number 7th. Which distance is more for Pradeep? Village B to village C or village D to village E? And how much? Village D plus E we will get the distance. So what is the village D distance is 30 kilometer plus village E distance is 20 kilometer, that is 50. Correct? 30 plus 20 is 50 kilometer. Now village B distance is 25 plus C distance is 15. When we will plus that, we will get the answer. We will get the distance. 25 plus 15 is 40 kilometer. Now we will minus this distance. 50 kilometer minus 40 kilometer, we get the 10 kilometer. So the distance from village D to E is 10 kilometer more than village B to C. Okay children, did you understand this?